Hi, welcome to My Cartoons with Jock. Today we're gonna draw the Rainbow King from True and the Rainbow Kingdom. So I'm gonna use my pencil and I'm gonna use my marker. First up, let's take the pencil and then we're gonna draw the rough shape of the Rainbow King. So I'm gonna start here right in the middle and I'm gonna draw an oval. Maybe an oval like that. That would be the rough shape. And then right on top, we're going to draw a ball. Maybe a ball like this, about this size. And then on the sides, we're going to draw balls as well. So we're going to draw one here. And try to keep it roughly the same size if you can. But it's not necessary. There we go. And there's the other ball. And now for the eyes. So I'm going to draw a beautiful round little eye right there. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing. A beautiful round eye. There we go. And as usual we're going to draw a light reflection and another light reflection right there. And we're just going to draw a little line there and maybe a small little line there as well. Perfect. And then of course a beautiful smile. There we go. And there's the smile of the Rainbow King. And of course, we should not forget. Right, the eyebrows are finished. And from here we're going to start with the body. So next up, I'm going to draw a little square right there. And from here, I'm just going to draw a piece of ribbon. And from this side, another piece of ribbon. So it's going to be his cloak behind him, yeah, like Superman. Good. And then from here, I'm just going to draw a rough little line down to sort of get the shape of the body, how I want the body. And then from here, maybe we can draw something like that again. And right out here, I want the little arm to extend. And then from there, the arm goes back. It's going to be sort of a superhero flight that we're going to have here. And then maybe let's just draw a little arm right there. And then from here I'm gonna bring the arm back again, maybe something like that. And then let's draw a little thumb, and outside this hand there's gonna be sort of a little magic wand in his hand as well. And we're just gonna draw the little fingers like this, and there's the little hand. Perfect. And of course, what are we gonna do? We're gonna just draw the little wand there, maybe just a rough line. And then on top we're going to draw a little ball, and on the sides little balls as well. This side I just want to draw the little thumb, and we can actually draw the little hand there as well. And then from here I want to draw the leg. So the first leg I'm going to draw is the leg that's closest to us, and we're just going to do something like this. So you're going to draw the body like that, and you're just going to connect it like so. There's one leg. Perfect. And then on this side we're going to do the other leg as well, and it's going to be something like that. And then the cloak behind him. So there we go. And I will just from here just bring it down back like so. And there's the beautiful red cloak. I'm happy with the basic shape of the Rainbow King. Next up I'm going to use my marker. So let's take our marker and let's draw the shape. And there's our little Rainbow King. I think he looks absolutely great. What do you think? So now you can take your crayons, your colored pencils or your markers, and you can color the Rainbow King in the colors you like. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave me a comment on what you want me to draw. See you soon. Bye bye.